What's up, you guys? It's Preetham here. So as you can see, this is minus negative degrees, and I will give you an apartment ride because I was about to become homeless at certain point when I got in the United States. At the back, that's the room, and that's my apartment looks like. So as I took the 100 days and 100 videos challenge, I thought that what should I make, and this is going to be epic because I was still at the property on my hotel, and I had to find out that what are the accommodations that can be available in a really short time. And after that, I find out this property, and if we didn't find out, we had to leave the hotel. That was the situation. And right now that's the apartment name, Coney Commons, and just want to give you guys a sneak peek of the apartment that I live in. And yeah, I'm ready to go for works. Currently, right now, it's what time it is. It's 10:35 right now, and these are the places. These are the meters, electric meters. That's the parking, and as you can see, this is ice around here. And yeah, so this is going to be another video that how did I find the apartment. It was a really short situation, shortcoming of mine, and by the way, I still able to manage to find out. But yeah, so there will be like 97 more videos coming up every day. I will try to post every day as I took the challenge, and keep watching. Thank you so much, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for these YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. I'll see you shortly.